watch this video and we're going to draw this. It's carrot-tastic. And later, we're all going to sing one of my favorite songs. Are you ready, little bunnies? It's Artie's show!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
La, la, la. Oh, hello, little artists, and welcome to Artie's show. Do you love drawing and art as much as I do? If you do, blink twice. 1, 2. Yeah! Well, today we're going to draw something really, really fun, and I want you to draw along with me if you can. Do you have some paper and some marker pens? If you don't worry, you can just watch along and watch Artie draw. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go!
Oh, hey everybody!
Are you ready to start? Should we start the art? Okay, let's do it. Here we go.
Hi, Artie! Whoa, look at that drawing! What with your art and my voice, it's a perfect duet! Whoa!
Oh yeah, this looks really, really good. La 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 la. Here we go. Oh, I think we'll have a song in a few minutes. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay. Oh, I love drawing so much. It's so much fun. You know what? I think it's time for a song. Let's sing a song together. Yay!
I found a banana in the fruit bowl today. Thought
thought it could help in a brand new way. Held it up high like a golden sword, but things went south, oh I got floored. I tried to cut my hair with a banana, slipped and slid like a crazy piñata. No sharp edges, just a squishy drama. Now I look like a llama in pajamas. The mirror laughed as I stood in shock, hair in clumps and a slippery lock. Mom walked in and said, "What's the deal?" I said I just wanted a banana peel. I tried to cut my hair with a banana, slipped and slid like a crazy piñata. No sharp edges, just a squishy drama. Now I look like a llama in pajamas. I should have used scissors or a proper blade, but a banana felt like a cool upgrade. Lesson learned, don't mess with fruit. Now I'm rocking this wild hairdo. I tried to cut my hair with a banana, slipped and slid like a crazy piñata. No sharp edges, just a squishy drama. Now I look like a llama in pajamas.
Oh, that was such a fun song. I really enjoyed it. Did you, little artist? I hope you sang along. Okay, time to carry on with the drawing. Oh, Artie's getting a little bit tired now. Oh, I can't wait to colour this in. It's going to be really fun.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
Oh, this is coming out really nice. Well, I think I'm finished. Now it's just time to colour it in. Should we do it? Come on, let's colour it in.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too. Oh, I'm so proud of this one. Ah, really, really nice.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Thanks for watching the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing. Hope to see you again soon. Have an Artie day.